Looking for clean water? The Refresh NSF-53 Premium Replacement Refrigerator Water Filter is your answer. It's like a superhero for your fridge. This filter works with many LG and Kenmore refrigerators. Specifically, it fits LG LT500P, 5231 Ya 2002, and ADQ 72910901. It also works with Kenmore 46-9890 models. Installing it is a breeze. You just twist it in. Then, you're ready for fresh water. Each LG and Kenmore water filter 3-pack gives you months of pure hydration. So, say goodbye to worries about water quality. This 3-pack is a real lifesaver. Furthermore, it meets NSF-53 standards. This means it removes many bad things from your water. Think of it as a tiny security guard. It catches chlorine, rust, and other particles. Therefore, your water tastes better. Also, it smells cleaner. You'll notice the difference. Your ice will be clearer too. Plus, this LG and Kenmore water filter 3-pack offers great value. You get 3 filters. So, you're set for a long time. It's an investment in your health. Overall, I highly recommend the Refresh NSF-53 Premium Replacement Refrigerator Water Filter. Because it delivers on its promise. It makes water taste great. Moreover, it's easy to install. And it's affordable. Consequently, it's a smart choice. You can trust this filter. It acts as a clear shield for your family's water. Ultimately, this LG and Kenmore water filter 3-pack is a fantastic product. You won't regret it. Pros: last for months, easy to install, great deal, a lot less money, works like a charm, filters out many heavy metals, works the same as OEM filters, great product, exactly what I need, no more crappy tasting water or ice cons. Unsafe filters, destroyed our refrigerator, only received 1 refrigerator filter, problem. Filtering reviews, inside was broken features. NSF-53 certified, premium replacement filter, compatible with LG LT500P, replaces 5231 Ya 2002. Replaces ADQ 72910901 compatible with Kenmore 46-9890 comes in a 3-pack, refrigerator water filter, easy to install, provides clean water. The Refresh NSF-53 Premium Replacement Refrigerator Water Filter is a great choice for clean drinking water. It's certified to reduce common impurities, ensuring your water tastes fresh. This filter is compatible with several LG models, including the popular LT500P, and also works with Kenmore 46-9890 refrigerators. It's easy to install, and since it comes in a convenient 3-pack, you'll have replacements ready when you need them. This 3-pack of Refresh NSF-53 Premium Replacement Refrigerator Water Filters is a great deal, costing a lot less money than other options. These filters are easy to install and work just like the original filters from LG and Kenmore, lasting for months. They effectively filter out many heavy metals, ensuring your water and ice taste great. However, some users have reported issues with damaged filters upon arrival or receiving fewer filters than ordered, and there's a serious concern that unsafe filters could damage a refrigerator.